This is the Pelican Argo 100. Pelican. These are the mods done to it. Got a gear track in front, gear track in the middle, and a gear track on the end. They're all handmade. It's also got an anchor trolley. This is a unique anchor trolley because it's I call it a locking anchor trolley. I use a cleat for tension. The rope goes in the hole, around the top, over and back. This rope actually goes all the way through to there. There's a knot here and a knot here, and the rope is actually, this rubber is actually stretched. Now what's cool about this is the anchor trolley, when deployed, won't move forward or back. But if you grab it from here, it goes this way. You grab it from here, it'll go that way. You can't move this. You can't pull it this way. You can't pull it that way. But if you grab it and go this way with it, you can pull. You can send it to the front. If you grab it from over here, you can send it to the back. You can't. That's why I call it a locking anchor trolley. You put it away, just set it up there. So that's how that works. I designed it, and of course somebody's going to steal my idea, put it on YouTube, and act like they came up with it. Here's my proof before anybody else has done it. Alright, camera mount. Oh, I didn't tighten it all the way. Alright, camera mount. Life jacket, Argo seat, rod holder with a cleat. I mean, not a cleat, a D-ring. What do you call them? Anyway, a pad eye. And there's a recessed area. This thing is something I bought a while back. It didn't have the hatch on it, so I made this piece of foam out of a body glove boogie board I had. I cut a circle out of it, put a hatch, not a hatch, a gear track back here, added a new plug to it. I mounted the pulleys with a strap so that I wouldn't have to make any holes in the kayak. Got a handmade safety flag. Of course, if you're on a small lake where only people can paddle around, you don't need it. I added these cool, quiet. Look at that, quiet, very quiet. Paddle holder, a no limits propel paddle. Yak gear mesh carry bag. Kidder life jacket. Got adjustable foot pegs under there. See these things? There's screws under there. Check this out. For safety, I added a little hunk of foam in there so you won't scratch yourself. So there you go. That thing is ready for fishing, ready for kayaking, ready for camera, whatever you want to use it for. It's ready to go.